I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious nutty feel-good snack. We're making a cinnamon and nut puff pastry roll. It's a Middle Eastern inspired recipe which is really simple to make and it uses just 6 ingredients. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. So first off, we're going to be crushing the walnuts. Now we want to crush those but not too fine. At the same time, we don't want large chunks in the pastry. So once you're happy with those, you can transfer those onto a large bowl and then get to work with the pistachios. So again, you're crushing them small but not too fine. At the same time, you don't want to leave whole pistachios in the pastry. So go ahead, pop those pistachios in the large bowl as well, and then next you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. And just mix everything together. Next, prepare the egg wash for the pastry. So in a separate bowl, beat an egg. So the next step now is to prepare the pastry. So that should have been thawed and ready to roll out. So open up the pastry onto a floured surface and begin to roll it out. Now you want to get it to 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So once you've got your pastry all nicely rolled out, you need to cover the surface of it with the nut mixture, leaving about 1 inch off the rim. The next step is to take a hold of the bottom of the pastry and begin slowly rolling it upwards and away from you. So at this point you transfer the whole pastry roll onto your baking sheet and then take a knife and make slits or cuts all the way along the length of the pastry, and these just allow for the heat to escape whilst it's baking. And finally, onto the glaze. Take the egg mixture and just glaze the surface for that final touch before baking. Once it's in the oven, this will take approximately 45 to 50 minutes to bake. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.